Here are our 5 top tips to make your website easy to get listed and found on the web. 1. Write your content to be clear and informative for the reader. Don't write for the search engines. Keyword stuffing is a big turn-off for the reader and will subject you to penalties from the search engines. 2. Put your keywords in your site title, URL and description. Putting your keywords in your site title and URL is still important for search engine rankings. While Google no longer uses your description for ranking purposes, it's what the viewer sees in your search engine listing. 3. Website speed. The speed at which your website loads will impact on your search engine ranking, but more importantly, if your website is slow to load, it may put off your visitors. No one likes waiting for your pages to load, so speed is key. 4. Make sure that your website is mobile friendly. More people now use the tablets and mobiles to search the web than use desktop PCs. So make sure your website is mobile friendly. Do images appear correctly? Does the menu work? Can you scroll down the page? 5. Provide useful and fresh content. Fresh content is important to your viewer. After all, who wants to keep reading the same articles over and over? If you have nothing new to say, search for articles of interest that you agree with. Summarize the content, developing ideas further if you can. If you have the means, create a short video to present your message. There is a lot more to getting your site ranked highly with the search engines. This is just a start. Contact us at www.totalresults.co.uk to learn more.